Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add or remove PayPal as a payment method in your Bigcommerce store. Managing payment options helps ensure a smooth checkout experience for customers. Let's get started. In your Bigcommerce dashboard, go to your settings. The settings are on the left side of the dashboard. At the bottom of the list, click Settings. When you are in Settings, scroll down to the Payment Method section. There is a drop-down button. Click it. After you click here, you will see PayPal as a recommended payment option. To add PayPal, select this setup. If you have a PayPal account, connect it. If not, create one. In this section, connect your PayPal account. To add the email, enter the email for your PayPal account. Then, click Next. You will be redirected to PayPal where you log into your PayPal account. When you are done, click Next. In this section, fill in your business claim and registration details. We cannot continue here because we do not have a business registration number. If you have one, check this and agree to convert or proceed with your account. After you are connected, your payments will be linked to PayPal. To remove PayPal, click the upper part. A pop-up will appear where you can remove PayPal. Keeping your payment gateway updated helps maintain stability and gives customers the best checkout experience.